All right, so we've talked about all kinds of different supplies that you can use to build your model of a plant with extreme defense mechanisms, and here's mine so far, okay? It's pretty extreme, so get ready. What? All right, so this crazy plant, I'm gonna call it the gator of Oklahoma, right? So this plant has super big spikes, right? So if you happen to be a predator that makes it past the super impenetrable bark and that's super rough, right? You have to also get past these incredibly sharp, made out of cardboard, but you know, we're using our imaginations, thorns on the top, right? But even then, the plant has another defense mechanism, and it has a super cool, amazing vining property at the top of the plant before eventually, and I want to like get some tissue paper or newspaper and make a beautiful flower for the top of this vine, because the plant vines all the way, finds the safest place over the prickly pipe cleaner, but prickly vine, and then finally blooms on the end. And then guess what? This plant can also tolerate a drought because it has this incredible taproot right at the bottom, you know, keeping it safe in a drought, keeping it safe from predators, and, you know, making sure that even if it's stuck in the shade, it can vine around to find protection and sunlight. So this is my extreme plant that can defend itself pretty much against anything. Oh, and did I mention that if you finally find your way inside of this plant, it's toxic? All right, so we're not going to actually fill our models with anything toxic. That's all our imaginations. But this plant is poisonous and smells like stinky farts. So nobody wants to eat this plant. I don't care if you're the hungriest for herbivore on the face of the earth, you're not getting inside of my plant.